Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Jay's Jeep and Classic Cars. So we put the shifter back in, and here's the moment of truth to see if all this transmission works or not. So here we go. I have not tried this, and the shifter is in there real loosely, so hopefully it works. So let's take a look. Got the clutch in, that's first. Well, I'd say it goes in the first. Not sure about much else. And it may just be that I have it so loose that it's not really cooperating. So that's first. That's second. Well, that's not a good sign. I think we've probably slipped the forks. So I'm going to take it out, take a look where we're at. So we took it out. And this is it. It's slightly in the third. There. But it doesn't want to move. There we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to button her up, clean up the top a little bit, button her up, and see if she shifts. I know I need to change the fluid because all the nastiness that was on all these gears is now mostly in that fluid or on a rag somewhere. And so plan is to drain that, refill it with clean new transmission fluid later on, probably either next few days. Let's just put it like that. So yeah, so we're gonna go find a bolt, or maybe a few bolts, and replace those, and go from there. I also need to drill out some bolts that broke for the cover itself, but we'll do that at another time. Okay, so we did a quick cleaning job on it, or a more thorough cleaning job on it. Got some replacement bolts, and we're going to try it out, see what we can get. Turn that light out because you probably can't see anything. That's first. That's second. That's third. That's first. That's reverse. Second. Third. First. Reverse. Second. First. Neutral. What? I'm so excited. That gearbox was locked up before, and now it works. So don't be afraid to jump in there. I've never messed with a transmission before. I went in there and just cleaned it up and kind of gave it some TLC, and it seems to work now. So don't necessarily have to buy a new transmission and replace it or try to rebuild it. So I hope that helps. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.